Now I'm going to teach you how to make EasiYo yogurt. This is the powdered yogurt. This is just basically skim milk with some enzymes. So you basically add the powder to your container. You fill that up with cold water. Usually fill it up to about here, because what you're trying to do is mix the powder in with the water. So you secure the lid nice and tight, and then you just watch the bottom, make sure you're actually getting the powder off the bottom. I just keep spinning around it and shaking it. Now while I'm doing that, I take the container, the thermal, this is just an insulated container. It's got a little red insert which says "this way up" on it. And I start adding boiling water to that. So I just put in 3 or 4 taps of that. I'll just see how many it is going to be today. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit. So once I've got that, basically you need the water to be at the top of the red separator, the red leveler. And now I've got all the powdery stuff off the bottom of the container. So then I come over here and I just the instructions on the packet say to fill it right up to the tippy top. It doesn't actually expand at all. And then once you've secured that lid on, then you can pop it into, I'll show this. You can pop it into the insulated container. Now, if you put in too much water, boiling water will spill everywhere, so just be a little bit careful. But you basically want the boiling water to rise up around the yogurt container. Then screw on the lid. You can leave it just lives on the kitchen bench while it incubates, usually for 8 to 10 hours.